Hello. Morning, guys. Good morning. So, okay. Today I'm not feeling too good. I'm a little bit sick. But okay, the market is bouncing a little bit pre-market. So we're gonna have a gap down to fill. But right now for me it's a little bit like I think the market needs at least one green day. So I want to see kind of like a bounce on a SPY till 442.50 or 444. It would be nice to see a bounce there and play the rejection or play the bounce. But we'll see. So the level to watch here, the main level that I want to see a SPY going and then maybe rejecting or holding a support is 442. I'm sorry, 444. For the Q, I will say 365 today, 365, and then 367.50. But yeah, I think the market like should hold here at least for the rest of the week, but I don't know, who knows. For the stocks that I'm gonna be watching, Nvidia's been very strong lately, so Nvidia again it can go either way. Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple. But mostly it's gonna be just a SPY and QQQ. I'm gonna try to make it simple today. If you are on my Discord, you know my levels and what I'm looking on the market today. Oh, and Netflix, I'm taking my profits here. I'm just gonna leave one runner just in case um the market dies again. But yeah, that was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Damn, Nvidia's already rejecting there. Ah, let's be patient here. Okay, so Apple is back to 177. Nvidia, that was an ugly rejection of 440. Microsoft keeps holding 320. Let's see, Nvidia is looking weak and the Q2. So that's this one. It looks like it's the one that I'm gonna like be playing today. So on my screen, I have, you guys can see SPY here, QQQ here, Nvidia here, Apple here. I also have Meta and Microsoft that I'm looking. Um, we'll see. I like how this daily is looking so far on Nvidia because it's rejecting, like it's doing lower highs, which is bearish and it's rejecting the downtrend. But Apple is holding 177, which can make the market go higher. It doesn't want to fill the gap till 175, it looks like. And same with Microsoft, it's at 321, so it's holding 320, that 320 level. But also both SPY and QQ are like in the middle of the range. So right now here it will be like kind of difficult to play anything because we either want to see a SPY going back to 442.50 and reject there, or use it as support, or going back down to yesterday's low and use it as support or reject there. And same with the Q is also, Netflix is losing it. It's at 409. Looks like it's gonna be NVDA to play, but I wanna see if it's gonna lose yesterday's low. Kinda like a break and retest of yesterday's low. It's around, I will say 435. We need to be patient here. Yeah, because it's, look how Apple is moving. Meta is looking definitely weak. I don't know what I'm taking. I'm just waiting. We need to wait for good setups. Right now, the market is not doing anything. Like the Q is looking a little bit weak, but still. The Q is looking weak with Apple looking strong. But I'm watching the 320 on Microsoft. I want to see it like use it as resistance, and 435 on NVIDIA. Okay, the Q definitely weak. Okay, SPY also looking weak. Microsoft is trying to hold 420, which I think if keeps holding Microsoft 320 and Apple 177, it's gonna be difficult for the market to go lower. Okay, Nvidia, it's losing it here. Let's see. I wanna see it like losing 435 and then show me that is resistance. But I'm getting ready to get puts on Nvidia. I will say 430 weekly. I'm gonna get it. I'm just gonna get it. It can stop me out maybe, but I'm just gonna get it. I think if Apple keeps holding here, Nvidia is gonna bounce and could stop me out. But Microsoft is looking weak. I'm gonna put Microsoft here because I wanna see if Microsoft is gonna finally lose 420. If lose 420, I'm gonna enter puts, and but I wanna see it losing 420 and use it as resistance because this blue area that I have here, it's a gap. Okay, so Microsoft, it's under for 320. We want to see it rejecting there. So we want to see a break and retest of 420. Okay, Apple, it's under 177. Meta, it's bouncing. Like Microsoft is tempting me here. I kind of like it for to enter puts, but I kind of want confirmation also. My stop loss is gonna be the morning high on NVIDIA. Okay, I like that move on Microsoft. I'm getting ready to enter to 320 puts. Weekly. Um, I got Microsoft puts, 320 puts. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. I'm sorry, morning high. I want Nvidia to go to 420 so bad. Apple is under 177 and it has a gap to fill to 175.50. Mm, so there's nothing else that we can do on Netflix. Like Netflix is just I only have one runner. Like I don't I don't really care what Netflix is gonna do from here. Like the play is done on Netflix. At least for me this week. The only way that I will think on playing Netflix again is if breaks 408 and use it as resistance, but I will wait for next week. Meta is strong, it's bullish. Meta with the pop. Come on, Google, just give me the gap. What do you mean with over? Okay, I like that rejection on NVDA. I like that rejection on Microsoft. I just want like a fast move here. We need NVIDIA to lose 435 and use it as resistance. Okay. Apple just started with the gap. I'm not gonna play Apple because it's pretty much the same as Microsoft. But yeah, Apple is at the gap. Okay. Beautiful Microsoft there. Mm. Netflix is very weak. It's at 409. So watch Netflix for the 408 rejection there because why 408? So basically, if you guys look the daily with the big head and shoulder that I talked about yesterday on Netflix, that's the neck around 409, 408. I would prefer to see 408 break and then retest there, and then your next support is gonna be 400. Ooh, Apple just dying. Yeah, I took puts on Microsoft. I'm on Microsoft puts, NVIDIA, and just one runner on Netflix. Ooh, Apple almost filled the gap. It just won like 50 cents away from the entire gap. I don't know. Microsoft is holding here. Oh, it's holding pre-market low. We want to see it losing that. And NVIDIA just doesn't want to die. I think I might should have waited for NVIDIA to just lose 435 and reject that and really use it as resistance, but we'll see. I don't watch the Dixie. I don't need to. Okay, so the Q it's at yesterday's low, which we could bounce here. Hope node. Apple is just dead. It's at 176. I hate you, NVIDIA. Okay, let's see. Google going higher. Well, Google it's been playing around in the same range the past, I don't know, month between 129 and 132. Apple just keep dying. So as long as Apple keeps going lower, I think the market is gonna have trouble holding. And we gotta watch Apple if bounce here um, on the gap fill. Come on, Microsoft. Just fill the gap. The only one that I see that is dropping big is Apple. Meta's kind of holding. Microsoft looks like it's bear flagging. NVIDIA is holding very good. Yeah, gap fill on Apple. SPY is very weak. Very. Okay. The Q it's under yesterday's low. SPY just lost the pre-market low. We just need Microsoft to just die here. Netflix is at 408. Ooh. I just need NVDA to just die. Okay, we're near yesterday's low. Trying to hold here. We could bounce here. I don't know. But yeah, Apple keeps going lower. Selling too early, it's a mentality thing. Or you're not, yeah. It's a psychological problem when it comes to trading. So I took puts on the two stocks that are holding, the only ones that I'm holding. That's a big bounce. I think we can hold here. We're probably gonna hold here because I don't think SPY and QQ are gonna lose these support levels, honestly. So we can have a big bounce on NVIDIA and Microsoft. But I don't know. I'm not gonna get out unless it breaks my stop loss. My what on Microsoft? I don't know what you mean with P on Microsoft. It's PT, Boots, I don't know. I took 320 puts for this week on Microsoft. Yeah, we could hold here because Apple just filled the gap. SPY, it's bouncing from yesterday's low, and the same with the Q. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Both are like SPY is rejecting the VWAP and INEMA. I think Apple was the trade today. Also, Meta is having troubles around yesterday's low, which can be another like possible put play there. But they but it's too close to 291, which is support. I'm a stop loss is to a morning high, both for NVDA and Microsoft. I don't know. It's today high, but if I see the Q breaking the VWAP and use it as support, I might get out. I don't know. I'm gonna see how these candles close. You know the answer. You always, I remember your name. You always ask if it is too late to enter something. Always. After the move. You remember, like I told you like 1,000 times, you need to enter before the move. Before the move, not after. Obviously, it's too late to enter Apple. You always ask the same question after the move. Like every single day. And always gonna have the same answer. You need to enter before the move, not after. You're just chasing there. Entering here, it will be like the worst thing ever. You're entering at support. Can keep going lower, yeah, of course, but it's a terrible entry. Yeah, I always say if you have to ask, like when I see people like I should sell or not, obviously if you're asking, it means you should sell. We're not dogs, definitely. Okay, so we're still rejecting here. Netflix keeps looking very weak. And Meta is holding. Mm, Microsoft is holding, but it's holding under resistance. We'll see. Yeah, everything looks like a bear flag. Microsoft, NVDA, SPY, also QQQ. Okay, I like that rejection there. So there's two things that it can happen here. So we are in a consolidation mode and then we break VWAP and we change the direction for bullish, or we are in a bear flag consolidation and then just keep going lower. So I don't know which one is gonna be. We just need to wait. Just be patient, wait and see. So far, we're rejecting here VWAP and INEMA, and it looks like a bear flag, but and Apple keeps going lower. So I think if Apple keeps going lower, the market is gonna have a trouble. It's gonna have a lot of trouble going higher. What did I saw on Microsoft? Microsoft, I don't know if you're on my Discord, but I said Microsoft important level is 320. So under 320 and rejecting 320 is using 320 as resistance. That's bearish. So yeah, that's pretty much why I took Microsoft. The NVDA play, I don't like it because I think I should have waited until it breaks yesterday's low and use it as resistance. I don't like NVIDIA. NVIDIA's acting too strong for me. I don't like it. I think the possibility for NVIDIA to go against me is very high. SPY's looking bullish. Apple is dead. Dang it. Like the trade today was Apple puts. Freaking Microsoft, I hate you. Yeah, I know. Ooh, I'm so sad that I didn't took Apple, even though I knew Apple at under 175 77. I hope any of you took Apple because I post this. Ooh, Apple is like dying like a lot. Is there any news on Apple? Meta it's turning down also. Okay, so with this move on Apple and the market still holding, I think the market is really, really trying to run today. any of you are on Apple puts? I don't know, today's weird. Like Apple is dying, but SPY and QQQ are holding. Meta is doing nothing, it's just holding there. SPY and QQQ didn't really react. Okay, now we're doing something. Yeah, I know both like Apple and Microsoft have pretty much the same setup. But let's see, because Microsoft is still looking bearish. It's just like holding better than Meta, but it's still looking bearish. It's still rejecting 320. Mm. I wish I had Apple puts, but well. I kind of feel like getting spy calls just to play like a hedge against my NVDA put or NVIDIA calls also because NVIDIA is holding extremely strong. This is why trading is so difficult because we're seeing something that we don't want to see, but Microsoft and Nvidia still haven't touched my stop loss. So that's why we need to like follow our plan. Okay, I like that move on Microsoft. Spy down. Okay, so QQQ lost 362. I hope Microsoft can die there. So I will say around, well, we have a little bit of support around 361, but I will say 360 is the level to watch now on the Q. Let's see, what's the weekly support? A little bit above 360. No, the Q is dying. Okay. Can you just move now, NVIDIA? Netflix is just dead. If NVIDIA loses here, I can see it go to 320. It has a little bit of support around 432 and then 320. It keeps holding this. Come on, NVIDIA. Give me that 435 break. I added more NVDA there. I like that NVDA move. Bro, SPY just doesn't want to die today. But it keeps rejecting the VWAP and EMA, but the 15-minute candle is looking bullish. Same with the 30-minute candle. Netflix is under 408. Well, fighting 408. Meta is about to lose morning's low. SPY keeps rejecting there. I don't know, we see. We'll see. We'll see. That was a bear flag, definitely. Okay, NVIDIA, give me that 420. Meta is like starting to lose a lot, like going lower. Netflix is at 407. Love that reaction there on NVIDIA. Like that reaction there on SPY. Let's go. Microsoft definitely looking bearish. So how are you guys doing so far? Sweating with this Microsoft and NVIDIA puts? Yeah, pretty much. I think we all should trade the same stocks every day. That makes it way easier. I think we just need NVIDIA to just to die. So the market can really move fast lower. But NVIDIA is holding too good. No, Meta. The way to go was Apple. Meta, it's not doing much, honestly. Like, look, I wouldn't say this was the way to go. The way to go was Apple. This is very choppy. No clear direction. I wouldn't say it's reversing. That is not like it's just a bounce. You can definitely can just go higher here and then reject this resistance. That is not a reverse candle. Netflix is just dead. Let me see how much I'm up on Netflix. I'm almost 300% on Netflix. Yeah, use the pre-market on the 5 minutes chart time frame. Mm-mm-mm. This is the pre-market. I think pre-market in the morning is very important to see support and resistance. Like the SPY is holding, but it's kind of rejecting pre-market low, and it's rejecting VWAP. So yeah, we need to be patient here because even though Microsoft is holding, it's still rejecting 320. Nvidia is still rejecting. It has a bunch of wicks at the top. And same with Spike is projecting VWAP and INEMA. And the Q is under yesterday's low. We could definitely bounce here. I'm not saying that's not possible, but we keep rejecting resistance. You have the entire information on the Discord. If you click the link to the Discord, you have the entire information there. What's the difference? Okay, NVIDIA. Let's just lose 435. Oof, NVIDIA. Let's go, NVIDIA. Let's break 435. SPY keeps making like rejection candles here. Let's see. Come on, Microsoft. Lose it. Die. Patience. Patience. Netflix is just dead. Dead. Let's take this out. Netflix was such a beautiful, beautiful play. Was so perfect. Very easy also. Textbook, break and retest. And I gotta leave today early, so I need Microsoft and NVIDIA to just move. No, I do the end of the day. I do videos when the market close. I do videos for the like end of the day recap. Like, I don't know, like, you guys have this stream. Like, on the stream, you can see the entire play, what I'm looking, like, everything. The Discord is for you guys to know my plan before the market opens. So, if you can't be here on the stream, you have all the levels and the plan, and you can play it out of that without me. So that's the idea for the Discord. I want you guys to be able to trade without me. Yeah, I'm not feeling well today. And I have a busy day today. But I didn't want to like not be on the stream today. But looking this, I think I should have like skipped today. I want Microsoft to just drop. Yeah, no problem. Meta keeps dying. Apple is looking like it's rejecting the 9 EMA. Okay, SPY keeps making red candles, rejecting everything. Uh, 290 on Meta. It could go till 288. Is this a weird head and shoulder here? Yeah, Apple looks like it's bear flagging. Definitely. Okay, nice rejection there on SPY. The Q just dying. Okay, Microsoft, it's your time to die. It's holding, but it's looking weaker and weaker because it has a bunch of um wicks at the top. So that's rejecting. That's rejection. Okay. Come on. I need you to lose 318. Meta just dead. Apple dropping. Ooh, the Q is just dead. Come on, Microsoft. Yeah, everything dying except NVDA and Microsoft. The two puts that I'm holding. They look bearish, but they're just holding there. Okay, let's go with I have a new snack here. This is the one maple glaze donut. Calories are a little bit high, like 230 calories, 8 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and 20 grams of protein. I haven't tried this one. Let's see how good it is. Smells are very good, like pumpkin. It's good. It's a little bit dry. And I would like if it was a little bit more like thick. I don't know. It tastes good. It's just a little bit dry. Come on, Microsoft, just lose it there. Come on. I'm gonna be here tomorrow, yeah. Bro, Apple just dead. But yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I just need NVIDIA to just move. Come on, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA. Mm, 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 mm. Netflix looks like it wants to go to 400. There's a gap on Spy? Where? I don't see a gap here. Oh, you mean from the morning gap? Oh, yeah. Mm, mm. So, it's not bad, but honestly, I will not buy this one again. I don't know. It's a little bit dry and the taste, it tastes like a candle, like pumpkin candle. I don't know, it's weird. Not my favorite. Okay, we could bounce here. So we're at yesterday's low and Apple is at 174. Oh, if Nvidia goes to 420, I'm gonna make so much money. You guys have no idea. And maybe if Nvidia goes to 420, I might don't come tomorrow because I don't need to. But if Nvidia goes to 420, come on, Nvidia. Yeah, let's go, Nvidia. Finally, man. Finally. Bro. Hell yeah. I think I got gray hair because Nvidia. Let's go. We need to see Nvidia losing yesterday's low. Like, let's see. Yeah. We need to see Nvidia using yesterday's low as resistance. Yeah, I have Nvidia with it has a little bit of support here, around here, 433, 432. But my main PT is 420. Is it gonna do it today? I don't know. I hope so. That was a beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Let's go, Nvidia. Just die. No, no, no. Don't bounce here. So it has a little bit of support here. As long as Apple keeps dying, the market gonna have a very hard time holding. Okay. Yeah, there's a little support, but we need to be like um patient here. It's making lower high. Broke out of the bear flag. It's using so far, it's using VWAP and INEMA as resistance. It's doing all red lower high candles on the 30-minute time frame and also the 15 clear rejection here on the 15, so it's still looking bearish. Still looking bearish. If we waited all this craziness, I can wait a little bit more for this break. Mm-mm-mm. As long as the market keeps low, keeps like this downtrend, rejecting IDMA, rejecting VWAP, making lower high, we're bearish. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see if SPY is gonna reject this level here, 440. I don't buy stocks, I buy options. And you can use E-Trade, Webull, Robinhood, TOA, TOAS. You can use a lot of stuff. But welcome to the tunnel. But yeah, I trade options, not stocks. We're still rejecting. We're still rejecting. Yeah, remember to like the video. Like. That's a fast move there. SPY's trying here. Things are moving fast here. Yeah, I did. I did take trades today. I took Microsoft puts and NVDA puts. That's a strong move on Microsoft. Microsoft definitely didn't want it to go lower. Yeah, Microsoft is gonna. I hate you. That's a very, very bullish move here. It's doing an engulfing candle. Yeah. Holding 440. We want to see like the VWAP rejection here. I need to pee, but I don't want to leave like this because SPY here it's a VWAP and pre-market low. So if it breaks here and use it as support, this is a very bullish move, and it's gonna go. I think it could go to 442.50. We'll see. Hmm, mm, mm, mm. It's almost 11 and I have to go. I have to leave early today. I don't know what to do. I feel like closing everything. I don't want to leave these two puts here open with the mark with SPY doing this. Even though I still like NVDA. NVIDIA is still doing lower low. And SPY is rejecting there. Because you took Microsoft puts at a very bad level. You took puts at SPY support and pre-market low. So you took puts on Microsoft ad support. That's a very bad entry. Horrible entry, honestly. My target is, I don't know. It was 420, but I don't think it's gonna do it. Thank you, Don. Have a great day. Yeah, I hate you, Microsoft. Whoa. What is that? Microsoft is rejecting 320. Mm, 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 Let's see. Let's see. Thanks, Mike. See you mañana. Okay, so we're rejecting VWAP. I'm getting Microsoft 315 for next week. I like that rejection there. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Perfect. Rejecting there. Okay. Come on, just die here. Come on, NVIDIA, just die here. That was a weird move. Move really fast. So VWAP and then that's a big candle there. Thanks, Jon. See you here tomorrow. Come on. I want you guys dying here, NVIDIA and Microsoft. No, NVIDIA and the Q are not looking similar. Look, NVIDIA, the entire morning, the Q went all the way down. Let's go. Now I can breathe. Like today, it's been so stressful. I'm not even gonna lie. But the good thing is I'm very proud that I'm sticking to my plan, to my stop loss. But Spy can still hold here. Who knows? I think it's Apple. Apple is the one that is dragging the market down. It keeps dying here. Apple. Let's go, NVIDIA. Yeah, that was a weird move. Like that jump there, it was weird. Their market is trying to scare us, but no. Let's go, die, die, die. I think I'm gonna be late for my appointment because I need to watch here the market. Like, I need to watch what's gonna happen with NVIDIA and Microsoft. Most of the time, I don't do this. I just put alerts on my trades and I just leave. But right now, I think like I need to be here. Costco. Let's see. Costco looks good for puts if loses 551, 552. No, I don't like putting hard stops because easily you can get out here. Let's just say my stop loss is it's around 320 and then this week here could have got me out. This thing here with hard stops, it's just you will get out. I think it's Microsoft time. It's Microsoft time. We need a 30-minute like bear candle here. Mm, mm, mm. Man, this is driving me crazy. Meta is acting very strong. Very. Had the 290 bounce. Okay, I like that reaction there. Looking good. We need SPY to lose today's low. Okay, I want to see that. The good thing is like SPY is using this support as resistance, this support as resistance. We now need to break in this support and use it as resistance. Okay, I like that move. I like that move. I like this candle so far, even though it's still 21 minutes to close. But I want to see a bearish engulfing candle here on Microsoft. Yeah, Meta is rejecting the VWAP and morning low. Like the morning opening print is rejecting there. So yeah, it should go lower. Apple keeps rejecting 90 MA. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We want to get paid today. And Microsoft is using these pre-market low as resistance. So NVDA is looking weak, which is what we want. And now no, and now yes, and no. I know. Microsoft is driving me more insane because NVIDIA at least is rejecting this previous support. It's using it as resistance. So NVIDIA is looking way better for our puts than Microsoft. I feel like I'm gonna be here the entire day, just waiting. I mean, I have 320 for this week and for next week on Microsoft. 320 puts. And honestly, right now, I don't recommend it unless you got in near 320. How can I answer that? Like, how am I gonna know until when I'm gonna hold NVIDIA puts? Like, I don't know what you want me to, like, I don't understand. What do you mean until when I'm gonna hold NVIDIA puts? If you're trading with time, yeah, you cannot trade it. Like, I cannot tell you, like, yeah, I'm gonna hold NVIDIA until 11:30 in the morning. Like, I have no idea. Remember, trading is about reacting. We cannot see the future. Trading is reacting of levels, of trends, of how we read the charts. We cannot see the future. Trading is not about guessing what's going to happen. At least that's not how you should trade. My stop loss is today's high on NVIDIA. That's my stop loss. And same with Microsoft. Today's high, morning high. If you're entering here, you're like, this is not really a good entry. You should use a different stop loss. Because I entered NVIDIA here and here. So my stop loss is very close to my entry. But if you enter here, you need to use another stop loss. Or, yeah, especially with NVIDIA contracts you can make a lot of money, but you can lose everything very fast and very easy. I I could not enter NVIDIA on next support. I'm sorry, exit. Like, my stop loss on NVIDIA cannot be the next support because I'm in put. So it will be the next resistance. I kind of feel like getting SPY calls just as a hedge, but I don't know because SPY is holding, but the 30-minute candles are all red. Also, Microsoft is at 174 and it's holding there. It's holding 174 support. So that's why I think we might get a bounce here, but we'll see. Like SPA is holding very good at this support, but in the bigger time frame, is still bearish. It's still on a downtrend, making lower high. Clear sign of rejection at the top. Like, look, all these ugly wicks. Yeah. Come on, NVIDIA, just break it here. I want to see this 30-minute candle closing on a red engulfing candle here on Microsoft. Yeah, it's using that like previous day low as support, definitely. Also, it has this weird wick here. Yeah, and that's yesterday after close. That support too. We'll see. We'll see what's gonna win here today. So far it's holding. It's holding but looking bearish. Ooh, Tesla filled the gap and it bounced out of 221. I had a 221 support. But it looks like a head and shoulder now. Tesla looks like a head and shoulder here. And it's rejecting 9 EMA. So it can be like a quick scalp down here. Patience. Come on, NVIDIA. I want to see your 420. SPY just lost. Let's see. Almost there. Come on. Ooh. Like, Okay, I can see why you want to take spy calls or SPX. I don't play SPX, but the truth is, yeah, the risk to reward there might be good, but the market is still on a downtrend. So until I don't see like a clear bullish, at least on the 30-minute candle or 15-minute candle, I don't think uh, the market is changing direction. If you want to take, I will wait for some consolidation here with bullish candles. But yeah, the risk to reward here for calls are not bad at all. I feel like the market today is trying to stop out everybody. If you're in shorts, if you're in puts, wants you to stop you out. If you're in calls, it wants you to stop you out here. Pretty difficult day. But Apple is holding. Apple is holding 174, which is bullish. And it's bouncing there. It can bounce till VWAP because I already broke the 90 MA. So watch Apple here. Again, either it can bounce to VWAP and reject, or here it reject and reject. But definitely very difficult day. I think this 30-minute candle close it's important. So it's gonna tell me if the market is gonna try to change direction or not. Especially here on the Q in Microsoft. Okay, Tesla is breaking out of that head and shoulder. Mm, 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 Okay. Ooh. Anybody took that Tesla scalp here? The head and shoulder was so perfect. That was easy. Easy. I love head and shoulders on a downtrend. I found them so easy to play. If this 30-minute candle is gonna close like this, we're gonna keep going lower. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see how it's gonna close. I think it's important because if it closes below this wick here, it's definitely very bearish. It closes like a hammer, it could be bullish. I don't use futures, so I don't know. I don't use futures. Only a SPY and QQQ. Come on, Microsoft, just die already. 35 seconds to close. Ay. 22 seconds to close. 20, 19, 18. Four, three, two, one, die. And no. What the heck? Yes, no, yes, no. No, but for real, we need to see this level as a rejection point now. A rejection zone. Yeah, that's bearish. Definitely bearish. Like SPY is still fighting today's low, which is yesterday's low. Also around there, it's still fighting that level, but it's rejecting so far. We want to see it rejecting that. So now I'm gonna put it red because I want blood. Microsoft needs to lose this support here. Come on, NVDA. Just die, NVIDIA. Die for me, NVIDIA. Tesla just, it's dying. Come on, NVIDIA. Yes. Let's go. We need NVIDIA now to lose 432. I am looking it. I like it. It's bearish. Like look how the 30-minute, oh, this is a 15. The 30-minute candle closes red, big red. This candle right now is using that support as resistance. We want to see it keep rejecting this area here. So this area was your support. Now you want to see it reacting like this as resistance. So I do like it how it looks. Same with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is using previous support here as resistance. Like we want to see it like that. Microsoft on another thing is using it as support. And Tesla just died. I think now we're holding because Apple is holding. Apple keeps holding 174. Oh, okay. Yeah. If you're on 0DT on a SPY in QQQ, that's bad. I don't know. I haven't looked shop in a while. Let's see. PT. Well, it depends. Do you have contracts for this week or for next week? Oof. So shop. It has a strong support here. If loses the support, yeah, your PT 50 is like perfect and then 48. But it had this big gap here to fill. So yeah. 50 is good, but understand that it could bounce here because 50, where is it? Yeah, here, this is your support, resistance, 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 so it can hold, it could hold here. You want to see it losing 50, this support here. Under this, it has a huge gap here to fill. 50, yeah, it will be my PT, and then above 48, around 48. Let's go. Man, Microsoft keeps holding it. Looks bearish. It's like rejecting the support, but it's still holding. I think when finally Microsoft breaks this support, it's just gonna die. Like in one like huge candle. Apple back under the 90 MA. I feel like I shouldn't be looking Microsoft and just put alerts here and that's it, and just let it ride. What do you mean with same with NVIDIA? I don't know. Looks like what? Like I don't know what you're asking me about NVIDIA. If it looks the same as what? At least my NVIDIA puts, like the 430 puts, are 2% up. And now are 3% down. And my weekly Microsoft puts are 1% up. And the next week puts are 8% up. At least I'm not red on that. And the 420 puts on NVIDIA are 7% up. Previous day low is rejecting on SPY. Let's see. SPY is rejecting. Yeah. Look, it's under yesterday's low. In fact, the next support is 439. I don't know why it's having so much trouble here. Like the big one is 438, but it has a little bit support around 439. Apple looks like it wants to go, and that's gonna be a problem for us. Also, the Q is holding very, very good here, and I don't like that. Oh man. 360 puts. I honestly don't pay attention of the flow because I've seen so many, like I used to watch like the big contracts, like the flow orders, and then I will see like a big buy at the top, and then it will scare me, and then nothing will happen. So I only pay attention to the chart, what the chart is telling me. Okay, let me see Apple, because if Apple keep holding here and is at a strong support, I might take calls and I use it as a hedge, even though SPY is still looking bearish, but we never know. Let's see. Yeah, 174 is a strong support on Apple. You can go a little bit lower to 173.50, but still 174 could hold the market here. Like, this is bullish. The 30-minute on Apple is looking bullish, but confirmation it will be if can break the VWAP and use it as support. But Apple is tempting me here with calls. Okay, so NVDA is holding support, but is using yesterday's low as resistance, so that's bearish. Microsoft, I don't even want to look Microsoft. Honestly, I just want to put alert on my stop loss and just leave it there. And SPY lost yesterday low and it's using that as resistance, so that's bearish also. The Q is holding better than SPY. But keeps doing lower high, so it's still on a clear downtrend. Mm -mm -mm, mm -mm -mm. I'll be back in like 1 minute. Hopefully when I get back, NVDA is at 420. We're still in the same range. Dude. Okay, let's see how that candle is gonna close, because if QQQ 30-minute candle closes like this, bigger than the one before, like engulfing the one before, that's bullish. Mm, mm, mm. The SPY keeps rejecting here. Yeah, no, very choppy. Well, choppy for stocks. Like very choppy for stocks. SPY is on a clear downtrend. Like it keeps rejecting. SPY, it's on an easy downtrend. When it comes to NVIDIA and Microsoft, which are the two that I picked, ugh, especially Microsoft. NVIDIA is also in a downtrend. It's a slow moving downtrend, but the Q is holding. What? Who's Donnie? Who's oh, okay. Who's Brianna? I just got some Apple calls, the 175, just in case the market goes against me. I think Apple's gonna go for the VWAP. At least I can take a little bit of money there for a quick scalp, but Apple is looking kind of bullish, and the Q also is looking bullish. Also, Microsoft with this 30-minute candle closing like this is bullish. My stop loss on Apple is gonna be under 174. So basically, if loses this morning low, this low here, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, you're right, Alonso. it's probably doing that. Like the past, not only yesterday, like the past few days, it's been doing exactly the same. This entire week, it's been doing that. Like makes a big move and then just doesn't do anything the entire day until like the last 10, 30 minutes. Yeah, the last 10 minutes. But like why is this, I don't know about how futures works, but why is this ES going down and SPY is going up? Like I don't understand that. Okay, this is getting extremely boring. I don't see what's the point of me keep looking here. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. So I'm in Apple calls as a hedge of my NVDA and Microsoft puts. So I'm not gonna sell Microsoft unless like the weeklies, unless it breaks this high here, with a strong candle, like bullish candle. I'm not gonna sell the weeklies. For next week, I'm not gonna sell unless it breaks this pre-market high and use it as support. So that's my stop loss on Microsoft. My stop loss on those Apple calls is gonna be this low here. And for Nvidia, I'm already green on Nvidia. So for Nvidia, I guess a strong break of 438. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. So yeah, strong break of 438. If goes to 420, I'm just gonna be all out on Nvidia. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit around 430 and then I'm gonna wait until 420. Microsoft, my PT is the gap fill around 316. And for Apple, this is just gonna be a quick day trade. Maybe goes to 177. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna see how it's acting around VWAP. So yeah, pretty weird move for the two stocks that I picked, but it is what it is. So far, I'm green. I'm green big thanks to Netflix. That was a killer trade. On on Microsoft, I'm pretty much flat and I'm like 10% up on Nvidia. But yeah. So, um, yeah, so I'm gonna be here tomorrow, guys. So thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for being here every single day with me. That makes me very happy. See you tomorrow. Bye.